Hi everyone, so this is another video which I made about passing NCLEX. Yes, you can check my previous video about failing NCLEX. Yes, you can pass in 75 questions after failing, so don't give up, keep trying. Here are the resources which I use for passing NCLEX. Sondra's UVault, those are mostly content based. Yeah, I love the UVault. It's costly but it's worth it. And do the Kaplan before going for NCLEX because it's all passing level questions and critical thinking questions, which I love about it. Yeah, it's hard, but you can do it. Other resources are the Picnomic, YouTube, CJ Miller NCLEX in pictures, and yeah, I did all the NCLEX Mastery app. Yeah, of course, the Registered Nurse RN in YouTube. Go check it out and check my blog. And thank you for watching this. I will link down below about my blog, and bye bye.